Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your registration on Wetradex. It's very fast and simple, and after your sponsor sends you the invitation link, you just copy that and paste on your browser, or it can be in your laptop, on your phone. You just put your name. I'm going to put Wetradex Global. On the email, you put your email also, Wetradex Global. Here you put your mobile phone. Here your username, put 01. In the password, you put your best password. You click to verify, and after that, you confirm your registration. Okay, so you made your registration, you're already done. Afterwards, you just put your username and your password and you'll really be in the exchange, okay? So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to make your deposit and also the copy trading package and the staking package also to get your investments on Wetradex.